Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have the right iPhone and iOS. Now act. First, open Wallet and add a payment card, then enable Face ID or Touch ID so authentication is instant. Once done, attach the MagSafe wallet by aligning the magnets to the phone's center. You'll feel a click. Make sure the physical wallet sits flat, then lock the phone and test awake. Double-click the side button to confirm wallet access. This quick check prevents interruptions when you pay. You're at the point of real use. Double-click the side button to open Wallet and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. Then, tap the iPhone to the contactless reader. Hold the phone steady near the terminal until you see the checkmark and vibration that confirms payment. Once done, set an express transit or default card in wallet settings so you can pay without authentication for supported transit systems. Also, position the MagSafe wallet. You're finishing up. When you remove the MagSafe wallet, slide it off and keep cards protected to avoid bending. Magnetic wallets can shift in pockets. Make sure Find My is enabled if your MagSafe wallet supports tracking so you can locate it if separated. If a payment fails, restart the phone, update iOS, remove and re-add the card and wallet, then retry at another terminal. That sequence fixes most issues. And if the wallet won't attach, check for debris or a case that blocks magnets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.